Hello and welcome to my channel Curiosity Burned My Kitchen. I am Mihir and today we are going to be making cauliflower rice burrito bowl. Yes, this is a very healthy dish and it is amazing. I absolutely love this. I can have this for breakfast, lunch or dinner and it's so healthy. It's like if you're worried about the stomach coming out just like me during this lockdown, you can use this alternative and have it at any point you like. So we are going to do this video in 5 steps. मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में मत पूछना स्टेप्स के कितने मार्क्स हैं, मैं सीए स्टूडेंट हूँ, हमें स्टेप्स के मार्क्स नहीं मिलते. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो स्टेप 1 वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद sour cream. I'm going to start off with the accompaniment so that they can chill in the fridge for a while. In the meantime, we can prepare our cauliflower rice and our vegetables. So for your sour cream, here I have 1/4 cup of fresh cream, 1/4 cup of hung curd which was hung overnight, and salt, lemon. So now I'm just going to add the cream and the curd in a mixing bowl. I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to squeeze in a little lemon juice. I'm going to put little lemon juice at a time just so that I can adjust the taste as I want. And I'm going to add in salt. So I'm just going to taste it right now and just check whether it is at the taste level what I want it at. I think I'm going to add a little more lemon to it. Again, going to taste it. Yeah, I think I'm going to stop at this. And now I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it chill so that when we serve it, we have a nice cold sour cream. Now let's move on to our step 2. Our step 2 is going to be a salsa. I'm going to be making a salsa fresca which usually has chunks of tomatoes. So here I have diced tomato. I've used 1 tomato. Here I have a diced onion, which is about 1/4 of an onion. Here I have a handful of cilantro or coriander, which was roughly chopped. I have 1 chili. You can adjust the chilies according to your spice levels. I have salt and lemon. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes to the bowl. Next I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to squeeze in the juice of about 1/4 to 1 lemon. Add my chili. I'm going to add in my salt and the coriander. Now I'm just going to give it a mix. So now our salsa is ready. I'm just going to pop this in the fridge as well and we'll move on to our next step. Now moving on to our step 3. Step 3 is going to be our guacamole. This is optional. If you do not have avocados, you can completely skip this. It's alright. So for our guacamole, we have avocado, cilantro or coriander and onion and tomato. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out my avocado into the bowl. Now I'm going to take a fork and start mashing my avocado. You have to make sure your avocado is ripe so that when you're mashing it, it mashes nicely. Here as you can see it's a little kacha. So I'm going to face a little problem, but it's alright. Now that my avocado is nicely mashed, I'm going to add my tomato. Just mix. Add my onion. I'm going to add the cilantro. Now I'm going to add salt and finally I'm going to squeeze in some lemon into it. So if you also want to add some spice into your guac, you can use chilies. You can also use pepper if you don't want to add a big hit of spice, but you want a mild spice, you can add pepper to it. I'm not going to do that because I've already added chilies in my salsa. Our lovely guac is done. I'm going to put this in the fridge as well with our sour cream and our salsa, and then we move on to our next step. So now let's move to our step 4, which is our key ingredient, cauliflower rice. So for your cauliflower rice, here I have 1 cauliflower and I've removed the florets of the cauliflower and I've just put them in a bowl right now. Here I have taco seasoning. So for the recipe of taco seasoning, if you want that recipe, you can head to my Instagram channel. I've put up it is on the highlights of my Instagram channel. You'll find it there. And here I have tomato puree. This is the puree of about 2 tomatoes. So now all I've done is I've added my cauliflower to my food processor and I'm just going to blitz it till they turn into fine rice-like particles. Now if you see here, they've turned nice, fine. I'm just going to do it for about 15 to 20 seconds more and then I'm just going to stop it. So here our cauliflower rice is ready. This is what it will look like. Also, if you do not have a food processor and you need an alternative, what you can do is you can take a large grater and you can grate your cauliflower florets on that. It will give you the same result. So we are going to start with our cauliflower rice. To start our cauliflower rice here, I've taken a pan, I've added some oil in it and it's on medium heat. Now I'm going to transfer all my cauliflower into the pan. Now I'm going to add in my tomato puree and I'm going to add the taco seasoning that we made. So I'm not going to add the complete seasoning, I'll leave some for the vegetables as well. हाँ मेरे मिक्सिंग स्किल्स थोड़े खराब हैं. Please don't go by the mess. Now that everything is mixed in nicely, you just let this sit for about 2 minutes. Does this not look like rice? I mean, I can easily fool someone. And now finally I'm just going to add a little salt. Make sure you add this by the end. And now I'm just going to turn the gas off. We are done with our curry rice. So for our last and final step, we are going to saute some vegetables. And here I have a rainbow in front of me. I have yellow, red and green bell peppers. I have mushrooms, boiled corn, onion and garlic. So now moving on to sauteing our vegetables, but before I start that, my today's taste test guest has just got me this beautiful apron. So I'm just going to cook the remaining process with this on. So now I have a pan, I have put some oil in it. I'm going to add my garlic and I'm going to add the onion. I'm not going to let it cook for a long time. I'm just going to, now this is where I'll add the rest of my vegetables in. I'm going to add everything apart from the corn because the corn is already cooked. So I'll just add that at the end. Do you remember the taco seasoning that we left with our cauliflower rice? I'm going to add that in our vegetables. The beautiful color of the vegetables, I love this. Now I'm going to add in my corn. And earlier I forgot to mention beans, but these are cooked beans which I'm going to add to my vegetables. Finally, I'm just going to add salt and our vegetables are done. We don't have to overcook them, it's just a nice little saute. So now that all our steps are done, our final thing remaining is plating our bowl. So I'm going to start with the cauliflower rice. Now next we are going to add our vegetables. A dollop of sour cream, spoonful of guac and salsa to finish it off. So our burrito bowl is ready. It looks lovely, all the colors of the vegetables, the salsa, the guac and the sour cream on top just looks amazing. I can't wait to get into the taste test and get my reviews on this. So let's get into the taste test. So moving on to our taste test. Today for the taste test I have Bindu auntie from my building. So you can taste and let me know how it is.
I'm sure it's going to be excellent.
That was just the cauliflower rice that you tasted.
Yeah.
Do you realize, like, it is very, or is it obvious that is it cauliflower?
No, but you have blended it so beautifully.
You can't
make up. You can't make up. It's excellent. You're a very good cook. From all your videos, we know you're a very good cook.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hope you like this video and the recipe. Please do comment on the video if you like the recipe. And do share my videos with your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do end up making any of my dishes, then please post the picture on Instagram and do tag me at Curiosity Burn My Kitchen.